Okay, so I got a new camera and I want to try it out, and baby, just look at the quality of it. Ooh, I am loving this camera. Let's see. Back. I'm loving this camera. Oh my god. So today is Valentine, and as usual I ain't got one. No, I did have a Valentine. I did get some gifts today. Very sweet gifts. I got some roses and stuff. Let me show you. I'll be back. Ain't they pretty? Oh my god. They are so pretty. My favorite color too. Oh, yo, just look at the color, the quality of this video. I cannot talk video. But yeah, aren't they pretty? So yeah, it's my Valentine gift. My Valentine look. I didn't go anywhere. It was canceled because of the weather. Look, I'm in Kansas, and currently it's probably like -9 degrees right now, but all today it was like 5 and 1 degree. So we went on cancel because I ain't trying to be out there in that cold. Because I want to dress cute, and I'm in the military, so I don't have a whole lot of cold clothes, so I'm just gradually ordering clothes. So I was just gonna wear something that I already have, and it's not like very winter like, but it's not summer either, but it's not warm enough, okay, to be out in 1 degree weather in it, if you get what I'm saying. But, let me put this down. Oh yeah, I just want to try out my camera. Let me show you my outfit. Let me see if I can. Yeah, I might have to push this back. I don't know if this gonna do what I want it to do. Nope. Let's see. Cause my ring light, y'all, it's so ghetto. Let me see if I move it at the light. Oh no, it's too dark. Child. I just want to show you my outfit if I can. Oh, it's so dark. It's so dark. I need like a light. You stand behind me. I don't know if y'all can see. Oh, it ain't bad. Let me drop the camera right quick. Let me drop the camera. Oh shit. I don't have no time, y'all. Trying to get the angles right. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, so this is my outfit. Is she cute? She's very cute. You know, very cute. Very cute. It's very cute. Yeah. Yo, the one time I finally got a date in like 2 fucking years, I had to cancel because it's cold. But it's cool. That's all. I just wanted to come and try out my camera. Was the main reason why I did this little video recording. And talk about Valentine and show my little gift or whatever. So